Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this LARQ Bottle PureVis 2. So this is going to be a 6-month review video. So let's get into it. Let me show you how this product looks, all the features it has, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So here's the water bottle. This is the 23-ounce version. It's a nice material. It's dual insulated, so it keeps your liquid in here hot and cold. This is where you charge it with the USB-C. You have a nice handle to it, a nice grip on the bottom so you won't drop it easily. On top is nice and smooth. The handle here comes off if you need to attach this. You just slide it down and then you just attach this to your book bag or any other surface that you want to attach this to. Then it just snaps back in place. The blue light here indicates that the water is being purified with the UV light inside here. When you want to take a sip, you raise this up and then you're able to sip from the mouthpiece right here. It's attached to a straw. This light here is telling you that it's self-cleaning the mouthpiece. So let me show you once you open it. So this even has a filter on the straw right here. So you just unscrew this and then you can change the filter here. So when you put in the water here and you close the lid, it purifies the water. And then even when you're drinking it from the straw, you're getting extra purification from the straw also. The battery life on this lasts a good amount of time. So this is the Lark app. You can see on top that it shows the different days that I've drinking the water. So here, every day it shows how much water that I have drinking. I set the goal to 74 ounces a day. So far today, I'm only drinking 80% of the 74 ounces. And then you're able to set streak and the goals. And then here it shows the history of when I drink the water. So this is a great reminder to show you how much water that you're drinking every day. This is a great app. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great 23-ounce water bottle. I love how this has the UV cleaning feature, that it cleans the water. And I also like that it comes with the filtered straw, so you're getting that extra protection as you're drinking the water. I also like how it has the self-cleaning for the mouthpiece, and I like the feature that you could attach this to your book bag so that way that you won't drop it, especially when you're going hiking or any long walks. I like how the bottom here has a nice grip feel to it, so even if you're going to hold it, that it feels nice and secure. And the battery life lasts a long time on here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.